Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS hne kasngi ka khandai trek unai tung kalapan menaik result jong ka higher secondary school leaving certificate ne ka class 12 examination ha ka science commerce but vocational stream ha ka bak St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalawan chikmat ha kini ki examen ha ka bak khatwai ngot kilawan ka kerdan top 10 jong ka science stream but prangot kilawan ha ka kerdan top 10 jong ka commerce stream O Kostab Chowdhury jong ne school ulaya ka kerdan first position ha ka science stream Bat ka Komal Sharma jong ni keju hi ke school kelayo ke first position ha ka commerce stream. Ki bapa sa ke HSSLC science stream ta ka snem kilong nyup sau point san ar na ka shispa ha ka bag kentai ki bapas kilong nyup way point kendai lai na ka shispa kat bag shinrang ki bapas kilong nyup nyo point nyo hunrio na ka shispa. Ki bapa sa ke HSSLC commerce stream 4 kilong nyup kendai point hunrio not na ka shispa. Haga bagi kentai bapas kilong prapulai point not ar nak sispa kat bagi senrang bapas kilong nyo point iwe hinriu nak sispa kat bah ka vocational stream pat lele ek examen kidon kat arngot bat ke belapas kidon chipongut.
I feel really very happy because I really wanted to take commerce only, and once you get success where you really want to, then it's like really very happy. I dedicate my success to my teachers and my parents. Especially my tuition teacher, Sir Amar Bhandari. He was the one who encouraged me, like I can do this. So yeah, I would like to dedicate my success to him at first. Secondly, my parents and my school teachers, they were also not less. They were always supporting during exams, before exam, after exam. Today also, when I was not getting my result because the site was blocked, I literally cried and my mother was like, she was calming me down. So yeah.
Did you expect that you are going to be the top of commerce?
No, I expected I'll come within top 5 or maybe in top 10, but not the first one. I'll be opting for BCom in St. Anthony's College. Later, I'll do some entrance test only during BCom only, and let's see. I want to do CA actually in real. If not CA, then I'll go for MBA in finance.
Are you planning to study in Shillong or outside the state?
Till BCom, I'll be studying in Shillong only. After that, let's see where the fate takes me.
I'm really happy. Actually, it was not expected, but when I saw my name in the merit list, I was so happy, and there were tears in my eyes, and my parents also were like almost crying out of happiness. So it's a really good feeling. Of course, my school first of all, but the main person whom I want to thank is my tuition teacher, Sir Suman, and he's the one who mentored me from the right beginning, and he encouraged me, and my parents for supporting me. For now, I'm going for my graduation. After that, I want to go for CS.
It feels overwhelming. I'm very joyful, and even my parents are very happy about this, both my parents and also my teachers and father, principal himself. So it feels really good. It's a joyful feeling right now. Yeah, at the back of my mind it was there, but of course I was not really thinking so much about this because that brings up the tenseness. So it was there at the back of my mind, yeah. So yes. Well, I aspire to become an engineer. So in future I would like to study engineering. Now with this situation, it's quite difficult to predict the dates of the JEE exam, which is the entrance exam for engineering. So it's supposed to happen in September, so let's see. From my childhood, I found out that I'm very keen on problem solving. I'm quite interested in numbers, interested to play with numbers and figure out what happens. And I see that engineering is the closest thing that is to that, that is closest to that, playing with numbers and figuring out things. So, and also moreover with engineering, the idea behind that is I am using my problem solving skills for the betterment of the people around me. So that is a very good idea, and I would like to help people in whatever way I can. So I feel this skill should be put to some good use. My family is not so well to do, but to study engineering, often the fees get quite exorbitant. So I would like to, through the media, I would like to appeal to the government if they could support and help some of our students with stipends or scholarships. And that would be really helpful. We would be very grateful for that.
Le sina pedang kini ki toppers ni iba ki jat benriu jungi ki khendiat ni don ha science tang langut ki jat benriu khasi jungi ha ki commerce tang arngot te ke jingkeli ka bawan singa spi bale ki khun jungi ki myawan sikmat namar ngapet ngari khasi ngapet bangi khasi ngi diki start tam mereka jing smosi pat kolong bang nyimpen don kam bhai kata ka sap ka bobli la ah ngi ban long ki ba trace tam ban long ki ba focus minded ha ka tu ka goal ka bangi don dan ngi compare ba ki we ki don ki ju ki ba obli la ka ku do ki hinai ka jing per ni pat ka de ka time management bat ka focus ka goal bangi ai bon por ka thong jungi ni long distracted sini stai bi na ta ka dau kini ki we pat ki long focus ba ngai ting aju le room si classroom jong ki ngale interact bagi kena mo ngai iya ka science stream bon ki kelas ki bana shawe bele ki kena jong ki dunang ni mar kam don kata ka spirit of competition but ka state jong le da ka jing long fourth subject itu ka maths le kala pen hiar si shu ya ka jing thrang jong kena ki ki doc ki line doctor ki engineer pi ni khen ba kata ka maths science ka long be tilada ngi so ka gomen le ka penduna shu ka tu na saya hadin habut ngin saya kin ngin yo kita ki doktor saya ngin yo kita ki engineer ki ba kiu haka no akan yang lo jong te wan ada ngi ngok men ka jing yo e ka result ru ngi kentiu ban ngi scam ba ki kun jing ki ba ngi bot din ni smat in motivate bhai ki mar ka jing job ka de away no ka jing motivate ban ai men sim ban kai ban bot din ki ka de away pat ka ban ta pi tingi de ban don lang kata ka sim